Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to learn how to make $18,600. And let me check. $8,600 divided by 30, $620 a day. That's your goal, your mission, I mean. This message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 2, 1. I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. In this video, you learn how to make as much as this channel that I'll show you right now from my hell-fast research and my enormous YouTube knowledge. Me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to produce over 2 videos every single day. Did I say 2? No, it's actually 3 videos or more because we do 25 a week, 100 a month. Yeah, that's 100 videos a month. Why are we doing 100 videos? I'm not sure, but I think it's because I want to take over the make money online, make money on YouTube niche, total takeover, because my reign will be long and lucrative for everyone, mostly me. So if you want to help me out, vote for me by subscribing. Subscribe for me by clicking the red button down below, and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm, because this video has to see the light eyes of more people. And I'll also shout you out in one of the next videos. Just comment your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account down below. Just take it or put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. And also there's a riddle. If you're not a dumb person, try to guess it. If you are a dumb person, just go on the description, you'll find the answer. Okay, so this channel, I'll reveal the name soon and I'll tell you how to make videos just like this one. Okay, so this channel, he might be pulling in, according to Social Blade, up to $18,000. How is it possible? It's actually a very stupid channel. It came out really like this month, literally a week ago. It took this person a week to create a channel just like this one, from 8 subscribers to now 5K, and from 600 views a day, now he's pulling in 5 million views a day. How can he pull 5 million views a day when I'm pulling in, how much am I pulling in? Like 6 to 9K views a day? How is he making so many views? Well, we'll find out. I mean, you'll find out, because I know, I think. So the name of the channel is Life of Sag. He might not be monetized, right? Do your own due diligence. This is not financial medical advice. Your results can vary. The results aren't guaranteed. Don't sue me, bro. Yada yada yada, right? This channel actually is putting in the work. 69 videos uploaded this month, but I think it's more. 119 in total, and the videos are pretty much like this. Are you winning, daughter? Like very simple Twitch snippets, right? Mostly clickbait, as you can see, rolled by a 14-year-old. So it's mostly clickbait, and it's actually videos from streams. So it's just clips from streams. He uploads it. He can shout the creator out in the description. It's very easy to do videos just like this one. So if you want to make a channel like this one, all you need is free editing software. You could probably Google free editing software, choose one. I use paid software because I'm a bowler, Adobe Premiere. My editors use Adobe Premiere, and also there's free ways to use Adobe Premiere, which I do not condone, by the way. So yeah, you can create, just follow your favorite Twitch streamer, make a channel just like this one, and then let the money keep rolling in from sponsorships and so on. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that the video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, check this video or this video out or die. I'll find you. If you don't binge watch my videos, I won't grow. Like this video now. I'm waiting. Okay, good. Bye.